Hey friends, if disk cleanup is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to perform an SFC scan. And why? Because let's see, disk cleanup first of all. Disk cleanup is a system utility. So I will search for disk cleanup and I'll open disk cleanup here. It is not a third-party application. It cannot be repaired, reset. It cannot be uninstalled and reinstalled. It is a part of the system. So if it is a part of the system and if it doesn't work, then the only option we have is an SFC scan and nothing else. So search for command prompt in the window search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Click on yes to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to remove the files manually, the temporary files manually. And how do we do this? Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command temp and hit enter. This will open the temporary files window. Click on any file, Ctrl+A, hit the delete key and click on skip. So when you click on skip, the files which are currently in use will remain, others will be deleted. Then press the Windows plus R once again. This time type %temp %. Select any one file, Ctrl+A and delete and then skip. And the last command will be prefetch. So prefetch, prefetch, and hit enter, and you need to click on continue because you need access to the folder, and then delete these files as well and then skip. So this is the best you can do, and this will serve as a workaround. But if you want a permanent solution, if the disk cleanup tool is not opening at all, then the last solution is a cloud reset. Okay, why a cloud reset? Because the local copy of the system image has gone corrupt. Now you could try a DISM scan, but we have already tried an SFC scan. If that didn't fix it, then the cloud reset should, because in the case of a cloud reset, the copy of Windows is picked directly from Microsoft server, and that will be the latest copy. It will be a perfect copy. As far as you have a good enough internet connection, it will work. So right click on the start button and search for settings in the menu. Go to system, scroll on the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, remove everything, and remember to take a backup before this cloud reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.